Today I'm going to show you how to move files in and out of Google Drive folders. So what we essentially have here is a bunch of files, and we have also some folders. So what I'm going to do is on the left hand side, I want to click on new. I want to click on new folder. I'm going to leave it as untitled folder for this example and click on create. And now I would like to move stuff here, right? So there's a few ways you can do. You can click down and drag over, or quite simply you can select. So I've selected this one. I'm going to hold in control on my keyboard. I'm going to select this one as well. And now you'll see at the top over here, it says to selected. And you'll have two options. So here you can either click on the move. You can click on the three lines here. It'll give you all of your options. And then if these are both selected, you can right click on any one of them while they're still selected, and you'll be able to say organize and then move them to wherever you want to move them. So let's go ahead and we are going to say move over here. We're going to use this option because it's the easiest. And over here, you'll be able to find exactly where you would like to move it. So these are suggested, these are starred locations, and then these are all locations. So if you go into My Drive, this is where you currently are. Just click on that arrow and it'll show you that this is the folder that we're going to move it to. Go ahead, click on move. You'll see them, they're gone. Double click on this folder, and now those files are in this folder.